In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Sheets. This is a simple yet powerful way to enhance the aesthetic and readability of your data. Whether you're managing a list, creating a report, or simply organizing information, bullet points can make your content much more captivating and understandable. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Google Sheets and decide which column or cells you'd like to format with bullet points. Selecting the right cells is crucial, so make sure to highlight either a single column, a range of cells, or the entire sheet if that's your goal. Once you have these selected, you can move on to the next step. Now, take your cursor up to the menu bar and click on Format, then hover over Number. This will bring up a submenu where you'll see an option called Custom Number Format. Go ahead and select this option. This is the section where you can customize how numbers and text are displayed in your cells. In the Custom Number Format dialog box, you need to enter a specific code to get the bullet points to appear. Simply type in the code. @ The bullet here is represented by the dot or period before the @ symbol. What this does is tell Google Sheets to place a bullet point before any text you type into the selected cells. It's a neat shorthand that can transform your plain lists into visually distinct ones. Once you've entered the code, you'll need to apply it to the selected area. Look for the Apply button, typically positioned on the bottom of the dialog box, and click it. This small action finalizes all your effort. Now, every piece of text within the chosen cells will automatically display with a bullet point before it. This addition can significantly improve how your data looks and is interpreted. To wrap up, remember this method is not only easy, but also flexible. You can tweak or remove the bullet points anytime by revisiting the custom number format and adjusting the entry. If you ever want to emphasize certain items more, consider using color formatting or bold text along with your bullets. And that's it. Now you know how to streamline your Google Sheets data with bullet points. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps bring clarity and creativity to your projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.